What is up, guys? AVI back with another video. If you guys don't know, this is my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GTS Spyder. We're gonna put the top down in a second, but I wanted to show you guys first of all a POV drive, and just want to show you guys how bad the manual transmission, you know, if it is the transmission that's making all the clunking sound. So we're gonna get right in it with the keys here. Shout out to Tim, he gave me this. Car's already warmed up, so that's why it doesn't sound as aggressive. Just want to make sure you guys have a good view here of the car. So we're gonna put down the top. It's a little tough. There we go. Sorry for all the wind noise, but we're gonna try and listen for the clunking sounds. Nice and shining. Heat on a little because it is chilly. And yeah, so gonna drive around. Just want to let you guys know transmission's bad at lower speeds and like the tight cornering stuff. So we're gonna listen for that. Gear. You guys can look at everything pretty good, which is a good thing. So you guys can hear when we come to sudden stops, it can kind of jerk a little bit. Even right there. We had it in gear perfectly, still made a little clunking sound. Go to third. Make this video because there's not a lot of videos on bad manual transmissions, so just wanted to make you guys watch this one, get you can diagnose it yourself or something if you have the same issue. I'm gonna go for like a 10-minute drive. Just FYI, if you guys want to stick around for the whole video. Neutral is the best gear, FYI. See me where my GoPro, that's a little weird. We gotta zoom out of here. Let's do it. Right in here and just make a U-turn back home. And I want to show you guys going down the hill how it sounds, because it really sounds like, you know, when I throw the car in neutral, it sounds like the car has no issues. A little off-roading here. Make this left turn here. Alright, so you guys can hear making that turn wasn't so fun. Makes a huge clanking sound. And let me know if it's my it's just me driving a bad manual, you know. I'm just bad at manual driving. I'm not 100% yet. So yeah, let me know if it's the transmission or is it the driver. Head down here, down this hill in neutral, and you guys can see that the car is like almost perfect, and we're not in gear, and we're turning. There's no clunking sound to be heard, no matter what I do. So, you know, once we're in gear, you can kind of hear that clanking, which kind of convinces me that it is a bad transmission. And just FYI, we've done a lot of things to the car, control arms, everything that kind of just make this 100%, but it's just a transmission. So we're gonna head on home, and then we'll finish this video. So let's conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that ride. I did. So minus a few cosmetic stuff we got to fix up. It's the transmission's the big deal here. Still able to drive, but you know, I got to watch it a little. So yeah, like I said, we did a lot of things to try and see what the clunking noise was. We did the CV axles, we did control arms, a lot of things, spark plugs, just, you know, for preventative maintenance stuff, new brake rotors, new brake pads, new wheel bearings, front and back. So we've done a lot of stuff to this car. If you guys don't know, just watch the build series. And yeah, hope you guys like that ride again. Obviously we're gonna make a new video when we have a used transmission or repaired transmission in this car, and we'll go for real spin, real POV driving. But yeah, if you guys like videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just like that, KVI out.